In this video, I'm gonna show you how to delete a RSS feed in Feedburner. So to delete your feed, firstly log in feedburner.google.com. Then click on My Feed. Here you will see a list of feeds. So in case you want to delete this feed, so select it. Now here is the option Delete Feed. Check this box with permanent redirection. Then click on Delete. Now you will see this feed is permanently redirecting to source feed. Now click on Delete Permanently. So you will see the feed on this site has been deleted. So like this you can delete a RSS feed. Just select it. Now click on Delete Feed and click on Delete Feed. That's it. Thanks for watching this video.